Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in an equestrian community in the heart of South Orange County? Well, I'm Nicole Palangian with First Team Real Estate Onyx Homes, and I have the perfect home for you. I'm standing outside at my lease listing, 26016 Red Corral Road here in Nellie Gail. What I love about this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home is not only the location in Nellie Gail, but the gorgeous updated pool, the beautiful updated kitchen, and not to mention you're only a few blocks away from the Gallup Park. Let's go take a look.